Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to add a photo post to your bookmarks on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. The new update has made the process quicker and easier than before, so let's jump right into it. First, open the X app or website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account because bookmarks are linked directly to your profile. Once you're in, take a moment to look around and get comfortable with the layout. The interface has received a few subtle tweaks with the latest update. Next, scroll through your timeline or use the search bar to find the photo post you want to save. Whether it's a breathtaking landscape shot, an inspiring quote with an image, or just a funny meme you want to revisit later, you can bookmark it in just a couple of clicks. Once you've found the post, look directly below the photo. You'll see a small icon that looks like a ribbon. That's the bookmark button. Click it once, and you'll notice it instantly changes color, confirming that the post has been added to your bookmarks. That's it. The photo is now safely stored in your private bookmarks list, ready for you to revisit anytime. To access your saved post later, go to your profile menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Bookmarks, and you'll see all the posts you've saved neatly organized in one place. From here, you can unbookmark or manage your saved content whenever you like. This feature is perfect if you love collecting ideas, photos, or inspiration without having to retweet or publicly like them. It keeps your favorite posts organized privately, so only you can see what you've saved. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to add a photo post to your bookmarks on X using your PC with the latest update. If this quick guide helped you, don't forget to explore more tutorials like this to make the most of your X experience.